In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and financial investment, the name Michael Saylors stands out as a prominent figure who has navigated the complexities of this digital frontier with remarkable success. Over the past 3 years, Saylors' strategic approach, particularly his enthusiastic embrace of Bitcoin, has reaped substantial rewards, making him a leading voice in the realm of cryptocurrency investment. In this video, let's dive into Michael Saylors' strategy with Bitcoin moving forward. Welcome to CoinVantage. I'll be sharing fresh content regularly, so please feel free to like and subscribe and comment. Your engagement fuels our content creation. And remember, this isn't financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks. It is crucial to consult a seasoned financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 3 years back, Bitcoin's value was about $10,000. If we check the 3-year chart from August 10, 2020 till now, Bitcoin has impressively gone up by 145%. But in comparison, the S&P index, which shows how expensive it is to borrow money, went up by only 37%. The value of gold decreased by 3% during this time, and bond prices fell by 18%. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy's stock price rose by a whopping 254%, and their overall value increased 10 times to reach around $8 billion. So embracing Bitcoin has turned out to be a smart choice. Bitcoin seems to give back 4 times more than the cost of getting money. If you didn't gain 37% over these 3 years using the S&P index, you're falling behind the cost of getting money. Michael Saylor and his company MicroStrategy recently shared their quarterly report. They revealed that they purchased 467 more Bitcoins for $14.4 million. Altogether, MicroStrategy now holds 152,800 Bitcoins, which they got for $4.53 billion. And the average price for each Bitcoin was about $29,672. After this news came out, Michael Saylor spoke on CNBC and Bloomberg. He explained how he plans to invest in Bitcoin by borrowing money at a low interest rate of 1.5%. The important question here is whether someone would take advantage of the chance to borrow money at just a tiny 1.5% yearly interest rate to invest in Bitcoin. You can share your thoughts on this in the comments below. The main thing to think about is whether Bitcoin can keep growing more than 1.5% each year. In an interesting part of the video, Saylor talked about the approval of Bitcoin ETFs and why he believes it's going to be a big moment for the whole cryptocurrency world. Also, something new has come up: a daily 5-minute crypto newsletter. This idea came from wanting to save people's time and money. It's a short newsletter that gives you the most important information, like what experts predict, how cryptocurrencies are doing, and any big news. This newsletter will always be free no matter what. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and be a better investor, you can click the first link in the description to sign up. And if you're still not sure, I'll send you $1 to make up for any trouble. Now, let's listen to Michael Saylors' thoughts about the future of Bitcoin from the point of view of regular stock investors. Over the last 3 years, Bitcoin has gone up by 145% since they started this plan on August 10, 2023. The company's main focus is on using Bitcoin to make money in a smart way. By using the right kind of money, they've been able to make 254% more money in the same time when Bitcoin went up by 145%. They have a good plan that uses different ways to make money for the people who own the company stock. Looking at the Bitcoin ETF, Saylor thinks it's a great thing for the market. The ETF is like a tool that helps more people invest in Bitcoin. It's like an entryway for big groups like hedge funds and countries to join the Bitcoin world. But MicroStrategy is not like the ETFs. They don't charge people to manage their Bitcoin, and they use smart ways to make even more money. This is something the ETFs cannot do. The ETFs are important, but MicroStrategy has its own unique way of doing things. The ETFs can't use the same strategies and offer the same benefits as MicroStrategy. When they look back at the last 3 years, it's clear what happened. Bitcoin, which was valued at about $10,000 3 years ago, has gone up by 145%, but the S&P, a way to see if it's worth borrowing money, has only gone up by 37%, bonds have lost value by 18%, and gold lost value by 3%. But MicroStrategy's value went up by 254%, and the whole company became worth 10 times more at around $8 billion. So deciding to use Bitcoin was a really good idea. It's like Bitcoin gives back 4 times more than the cost of getting money. If you didn't make 37% more money with the S&P during these 3 years, it means you didn't keep up with the cost of getting money. Michael Saylors' ideas and his smart move to get more Bitcoin makes us think about the balance between risk and reward in the cryptocurrency world. His thoughts about borrowing money at a small 1.5% interest rate to invest in Bitcoin are interesting. Saylors' thoughts about using Bitcoin ETF, getting approved, and making a big change in the world of cryptocurrencies give us a lot to think about. It's clear that Michael Saylors' bold vision for Bitcoin has not only filled his pockets, but has also opened up exciting new avenues in the world of digital assets. Saylors' take on leveraging, yield, and tantalizing prospect of a Bitcoin ETF reminds us that the crypto market is a living, breathing entity, shaping the way we invest in ways we never thought possible. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into these waters, Saylors' strategies and insights offer a glimpse of the thrilling possibilities that await in this ever-evolving financial landscape. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.